Programming your C6 Corvette key fob is straightforward and can be done at home. This segment will show you how to add or erase remotes using the built-in vehicle sequence, potentially saving you dealership fees. First, ensure all doors are closed and no other remotes are nearby. Have all your fobs ready, as the system supports up to 4. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Within 5 seconds, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the first fob simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. This confirms you're in programming mode. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get the timing right. Once in programming mode, release the buttons. Press the lock button on the same fob to program it. The locks should cycle again. For additional fobs, press the lock button on each within 30 seconds. To erase all remotes, enter programming mode and do nothing for 30 seconds. Turn the ignition to off to exit the mode and test all fobs to ensure they work correctly. If you encounter issues, quickly cycle the ignition 3 times and retry. Common problems include weak fob batteries or incorrect timing. Keep in mind that this process needs to be completed within 2 minutes to avoid lockout. If DIY fails, consider professional reprogramming at a dealership or auto shop.